We are sharing with you the role of training manager and the critical part of successful apprenticeships it plays. It's not about being a teacher. It's not about sitting in front of a classroom, though in a classroom environment, the teacher is the training manager. But in a shop environment, the training manager doesn't need to be the one that teaches all the skills. They're about the process, they're about managing the people and their progress through each of the skill sets. So, the training manager and the advocate work together to moderate the pace of learning, to make sure it's not going too fast or speed it up if it's going too slow. They moderate the pace of learning to make sure trainees are doing well. The training manager and the trainer work together to coach how skills can be transferred better to their apprentice. Maybe the trainer has a different learning style than their trainee and struggles to adapt. The training manager, trainer, and the advocate all work together to help trainees develop needed skills so that shops have the benefit of skilled workers repairing each car in the shop. This is the relationship of each of these roles. We have a course that's designed for training managers. This is the Training Manager Boot Camp. It's not about skills to fix damaged cars. It's not even about training skills. It is focused on how to manage a training program, how to manage 15 or 30 or 50 apprentices, all at different stages of their learning. Likely they'll be broken down into groups or cohorts, so how do you manage that? In the Training Manager Boot Camp, we share the tools in our learning management system that can help them identify where somebody's falling behind. You will know where they are in each course and where they show a lack of persistence. So we take you through the Training Manager course to learn how to help apprentices progress. This is what the monthly activity cycle looks like for training managers. It is demonstrated in this circular graphic. There is a process to pull analytics and statistics that are available through the learning management system. We show training managers how to quickly identify who's struggling, what issues they are having, and these stats can be pulled in a matter of moments. Training managers learn to use the tool and pull needed information. And that information is then used to come up with a learning plan for each apprentice. CCI provides a lesson plan for each module. The online meetings are adapted from each learning module, since most will be at a different level of progression, even in different courses altogether. The important key here is how to adapt where these apprentices currently are with a learning plan for them and make it unique to help them improve their skills development. So you might choose in advance some of the good and bad examples of what was submitted in the last 2 weeks. Look for opportunities to coach them on how to do this better and share it with them during the online meetings. Then you're going to review some of those items live and in real time, and you've already previewed them during your prep time. Share with them some of the tips and tricks that you and others in the group have learned, and then preview what's coming up next and help them work through this cycle. This is a routine that you and they will get used to rather quickly. The point is each training manager goes through the training program, whether facilitated or self-paced. They'll develop additional skills on how to look up or pull status of each apprentice and how to use the LMS to help them do different aspects of managing apprenticeships better. With additional support staff, training managers can delegate scheduling and reporting, enabling them to handle more apprentices. Cohort size is limited to 12 to 15 individuals with similar career paths, but they can vary in skill levels. Assembling cohorts with different skill levels accelerates learning when compared to those that are isolated with only those of similar skills.